Okay, first things first. To get started, you are definitely going to need a GeForce Now account. I'm going to put a link down below in my comment section. And if you already have a GeForce Now account, but you're having some problems with setup, then you can continue watching. So we are now going to type in GeForce Now in your browser. And then we are going to go down to your unsupported device. And then it's going to take us to the GeForce Now website. As you can see, you have my library, GeForce Now Thursdays, and below that is all the games that are free to play, that are available to play, free of cost. I have one of two accounts, gaming accounts set up, and up top, that's my GeForce Now account. Okay, so in order for you to play any games on GeForce Now, you're going to have your account set up. So I'm just going to show you how to set up one of the accounts in your GeForce Now. Okay, so I'm going to select connect to stream, to Steam, sorry. And up top, you're going to click login. So you log into your Steam. But you go over to your right and you just click on join Steam. Not going to sign up. You're going to create your account. So you're going to just put in the necessary info. So you're going to add your email address where it says to add your email. And you're going to just confirm that address below that. And right here, you're going to just select the image. Bit annoying. Your crosswalk, and then you're going to just verify all of that and just click you agree to the terms, and then you click continue after you're finished. Okay, now it's verifying. For security reason, you are going to have to log into your email address and just verify it's you, and then you continue creating the account. So it's not going to ask you for your Steam account name, and choose your password. So you're going to just enter an account name, and then below that you're going to just put your password. And then you're going to just confirm on that password. Below. And after you've done all of that, you're now going to click and done. And there you have it. You have your Steam account now set up. What we're going to do now is just save the password setting, move back over to our GeForce Now account, and we are going to link our GeForce Now account to our Steam account. We're going to sign in with the password and username that we used to set up our Steam account. So we just go ahead and enter the username. And below that you sign in with your password. And click sign in. Now you're connected. Okay, so if you're signing up and you get this error message, what it means is that your Steam account is not set to public. So you're going to have to go into your Steam account and just change it from private to public. I'm going to show you how to do that. So yeah, let's go. Now down below where it says your Steam account settings, right here, we're just going to click on it. Let it take us to Steam, and everything that you see right here that says public, friends only, everything, we're going to just change it to public. And after we have done all of that, we are going to go back over again to GeForce Now account, and this is the last time. And we're going to just click on resync. And there you're no longer seeing that green error message. We're now going to go over to our GeForce main page, and if you're also getting a login error message, you're going to need to check your ad block. It could be that your ad block is preventing you from accessing your game, so disable the ad block. Mine is located at the top right, but yours might be located somewhere else depending on the program you're using or the ad block you're using. So now I'm going to just click play, and it's now connecting. Might take a little while depending on how fast your internet is and the time zone. I was doing this early in the morning, so it's a little bit faster. I guess you don't have a lot of people up early in the morning, so yeah, it's running a little faster. Okay, so that's it. You can play any game you want from GeForce Now using any of the accounts.